Ready to add lasting color and low-maintenance blooms to your garden that come back every year? Let's check out 10 perennials anyone can grow. Yarrow is a hardy, drought-tolerant perennial that blooms in the summer. It comes in colors like red, orange, pink, and gold, and grows 1 to 3 feet tall. Threadleaf Coreopsis has lacy foliage and bright yellow blooms that last into fall. It grows up to 2 feet tall and tolerates dry soil. Shasta Daisies bloom in early summer and have classic white and yellow flowers. They grow up to 3 feet tall and thrive in sun or part shade. Daylilies have grassy leaves and colorful flowers. They're tough, pet-friendly, and grow up to 40 inches tall. They prefer moist soil and sun, but they'll tolerate drought and shade too. Stonecrop is a tough, drought-tolerant perennial with pink blooms from late summer into fall and grows up to 16 inches tall. Black-eyed Susan blooms from midsummer to frost and has golden petals and dark centers. They can tolerate both wet and dry soil and isn't bothered by heat or wind. Purple coneflower blooms have bold colors with a striking center cone. It grows up to 3 feet tall and handles light shade. Russian sage blooms in mid to late summer and has tiny purple flowers and lacy foliage. It thrives in sun, poor soil, and drought and grows up to 5 feet tall. Helen's flower blooms in bold colors, ranging from orange to yellow to rusty red and brown. It can grow up to 6 feet tall and does well in ordinary soil. Goldenrod blooms in late summer and has bright yellow plumes. It grows 1 to 3 feet tall, loves sun and poor soil conditions. These easy perennials need just sunlight, occasional water, and a little space in your garden to come back year after year, perfect for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike.